Good morning, guys. I am headed to do an evaporator coil, change out a case coil on a small little Bryant. Actually, it's a furnace with a case coil on top of it. So that's where we're headed. Stay tuned. Alright, this is our coil. I'm going to start disassembling this and get this pulled out of here. Somebody glued this, so I don't have a, I'm going to have to see if I can unscrew it. We're fixing to pull this loose. Right now we are about to find out if I can just swap these coils. Because they sent me a whole new case coil. I think, yeah, these are going to be they're going to be the same. Alright, so I'm going to put these new panels on this new coil. I'm going to swap out the panels when I do the coil. Lovely. This has a little ridge right here, and it goes under a lip that's in the top of this case coil. So you got to line them up just right. I'm fixing to start flowing nitrogen because that liquid line is on top. I'm gonna flow through, and that's the one I'm gonna do first. I'm going to set this to braze. I've got this open, this closed off, and this open. It's a tiny little bit of nitrogen flowing through. Well, I thought I was recording just a second ago, and I wasn't. Doing my best not to set something on fire. That's a little hole right there. Make sure this is open. And I'm going to turn this off and solder that again. Now, I do have a problem with that sometimes when I'm flowing nitrogen. There's just a tiny little bit of pressure. My pressure's coming from right here, and right now the lines are full of nothing but nitrogen. And as you see, yeah, there's a little drip right there, but as you see, I no longer have a hole right there. I'm doing a nitrogen test on this now. We're fixing to go in and do bubble search and then check back out here. I'm hitting the wrong button. Alright, now let's test tightness. Let's go get the bubble search. Alright, I think everything is set up. Took me just a second. I'm not pulling the vacuum on this side. We're just pulling over there. I have both of my straighters removed. This is open down to 2,000 microns. battery died. And I didn't have I prefer not to use my gauges when I like to use this little remote piece. I'm fixing to pressurize this and start weighing in the charge. Alright, let's check my vacuum. I think it's been about 5 minutes now. Well, 2 minutes and 45 seconds. I think we're doing pretty good. I'm gonna valve this off because I don't want to damage this. And valved off. Let's zero this. All right, let's zero again. And pressurize. Now we pulled the vacuum on the whole system. There was no Freon left in this or refrigerant. Looks like we need 4.1 pounds. I'm just going to let that go and see how much we can get in it. I know I'm messing with my weight when I do that. Let's just say 3 pounds on that. All right, we're going to valve these off. Good way to freeze your fingers like that. All right, I want new shredders. I use this right here to store this one in my bag. I put this in here to help keep this clean. We're about to finish charging this. We need like 1.1 ounces. I thought I had it turned on the inside. Okay, the tenant had turned the thermostat off. So we're shooting for about 1 pound, 1 or 2 ounces. 16 ounces is a pound. When you, let me see, 16 divided by 10. I need almost 1 pound, 2 ounces. Suction seems a little bit high, but especially considering the temperatures right now, because it's 61 degrees out here. I'm gonna leave it as is. All right, so that was a nice little job that took me about 2 hours and 15 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I happen to have another one to do here in just a second, so I'll catch y'all on the next one. I got a full day ahead of me. Thanks for watching.